inside. All set now, ready to race. Race number 4, Marho Daisy 7 Trophy Race. And the race is on. Unpredictable My Queen to grab the lead. My Queen followed by Dugus Pride, Unpredictable Moraita, and racing in second last, Golden Arasi Raon is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, the favorite My Queen by a length and a half, followed by Unpredictable in second. 2 lengths corner back in third is Dugus Pride, then comes Moraita. Raon running by the and Golden Arasi. And inside the last 700, the favorite My Queen by a length and a half. Unpredictable is running in second. 6 lengths corner back in third, Dugus Pride. Raon racing in fourth by about 2 lengths more right. Golden Arasi racing towards the last 450. My Queen still hanging to that half-length lead. Unpredictable on the outside. Raon sneaking by Darrell as they race the last 200. My Queen by about 2 lengths. Unpredictable. Raon is running by Darrell. At still My Queen. Raon is running down on the inside. My Queen. Raon is by Darrell. And finally it's Raon, My Queen, Unpredictable, Dugus Pride, Golden Arasi, Moraita.
Okay, 2, 5, 6, 4, unofficial order of arrival, crossing the wire first. Okay, coming from behind, number 2, Raon with Daniel L. Camanero. Okay, daily double sales, 629,325 pairing sa numero 2. Sa 1, 120. Sa 2, 45. Sa 3, 80. Sa 4, 285. Sa 5, 86. Sa 6, 59. Sa 7, 60.